Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a portfolio website on Weebly. First, go and create an account or log in. Now, select I just need a website option. For here, on the upper ribbon, you'll have the option to choose portfolio, so go to it. Now, it will show you different themes or templates that you can choose from. So go ahead and select the one that you'd like or the one that fits your branding. Once done, click on Start Editing at the top right. Now, it will bring you to your site editor where you can go and customize it. So on the left panel, here, you can go and show all the elements so that you will be able to choose on what to add to your website. You just need to drag it into a section where you want that element to be. Then you can also go and edit the content that the website has and then change it to your liking. A portfolio website is an online space where you can showcase your work, skills, and achievements using Weebly's easy drag and drop website builder. It is often used by students, freelancers, and professionals to present projects, create samples, resumes, and experiences in a visually appealing way. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.